Which of the following is not a physical change? Magnesium ribbon is rubbed before burning because it has a coating of. Color of magnesium oxide is. When a magnesium ribbon is burned in air, the ash formed is. Which information is not conveyed by a balanced chemical equation? Combustion reactions are always. Give the ratio in which hydrogen and oxygen are present in water by volume. Color of solid magnesium is. The reaction of hydrogen gas with oxygen gas to form water is an example of. When silver is exposed to air, it gets a black coating of. When carbon dioxide is passed through lime water. In writing chemical equation, inclusion of state symbol shall be done while. On immersing an iron nail in CuSO4 solution for few minutes, you will observe. Which of the following is true for an unbalanced chemical equation. Which one of the given process involve chemical reaction? Which of the following is an endothermic process? Which of the given product is formed when calcium oxide react with water? What is the other name for quicklime? What is the chemical name for slaked lime? Which option denotes a double displacement reaction? What types of chemical reaction take place when electricity is passed through water? Fatty foods become rancid due to process of considered reaction is an example of 4NH3 plus 5O2 is equal to 4NO plus 6H2O. Considered equation Ca plus 2OH negative is equal to CaOH का whole twice. Precipitation of calcium hydroxide will be off. Reaction of magnesium with air is an example of which types of reaction? In the double displacement reaction between aqueous potassium iodide and aqueous lead nitrate, a yellow precipitate of lead iodide is formed. While performing the activity, if lead nitrate is not available, Which of the given can be used in place of lead nitrate? Which among the following is oblique R double displacement reaction? Oxidation is a process which involves considered equation Cu plus OH minus is equal to CuOH का whole twice. Precipitate of copper hydroxide CuOH whole twice will be of. Considered reaction Al plus O2 is equal to Al2O3. Moles of aluminium needed to balance equation are. Considered equation Pb plus OH minus is equal to PbOH का whole twice. Precipitate of lead hydroxide will be of. Which of the following statement about the given reaction are correct? 3Fe plus 4H2O is equal to Fe3O4 plus 4H2. Chemically, rust is a when crystal of lead nitrate are heated strongly in a dry test tube. Barium chloride on reacting with aluminum sulfate form barium sulfate and ammonium chloride. Which of the following correctly represent the types of reaction involved? When carbon dioxide is passed through lime water. Considered reaction P plus O2 is equal to P4O10. Moles of O2 needed to balance equation will be. Considered reaction N plus O2 is equal to N2O. Moles of sodium needed to balance equation would be. Considered reaction S plus O2 is equal to SO2. State of SO2 in this reaction is. The reaction in which two compounds exchange their ions to form two new compounds is called. The following reaction is used for the preparation of oxygen gas in the laboratory. 2KClO3 is equal to 2KCl plus 3O2. MnO2 plus 4HCl is equal to MnCl2 plus 2H2O plus Cl2. Identify the substance oxidized in the above equation. A substance added to food containing fat and oil is called. The condition produced by aerial oxidation of fats and acid in food marked by unpleasant smell and taste is called. Pb plus CuCl2 is equal to PbCl2 plus Cu. The above reaction is an example of. Fatty foods become rancid due to the process of. Rancidity can be prevented by. Which of the following are exothermic reaction? Number 1, reaction of water with quicklime. Number 2, dilution of an acid. Number 3, evaporation of water. Number 4, sublimation of camphor. In which of the following chemical equation the abbreviation represent the correct state of the reactant and product involved at reaction temperature? Which chemicals are used in fireworks?